So now me and Mrs. Crime, we are down on another adventure at where they park their boats, and they got some yachts out here, and it's very nice. Thought I'd come see how it looks over here. Give you guys a quick view of what it looks like. Not a long video, but it's a Tombstone Whispers video, giving you guys a glimpse of what we do, where we go sometimes, and where we not go all the time to just cemeteries. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. So now we're walking up onto, can I say this is? It says St Helens Continental Flag and Fountain, built and designed by Dwight Werby and fellow patriots. Wow. Down here, it says St Helens, July 4th, 1989. Time capsule to be opened July 4th, 2059. Time capsule. So something's in there to be open. Don't know what it is, but there's definitely something in there to be open in 2059. That is the eagle up there. Nice. And right here. Very nice. So we are now walking to, we saw this from way afar, like a Halloween totem pole. Definitely gonna check this out. Stay tuned. Now as you see right here, Mrs. Crime just took a photo of it. It's a totem pole of pumpkins. Now, is that something that's from the movie Halloween Town? I don't know. I haven't really seen the movie or paid attention to it that much, but it's definitely like it's sitting here for the meantime. And let's get a good close look at these pumpkins. So all of these are edged in very well. Look like they could be lit up from the inside. And I think all the faces glow. This might be from that movie. But why would you have a totem pole of pumpkins like this in the middle of just sitting there? I'm thinking it's Halloween Town. Now, me and Mrs. Crime, we have ran into a couple people that told us about this place. One guy, everybody's walking a dog though, but one guy told us that we're walking by Halloween Town. So we flew over there. Another one told us that we were by a certain spot that was in the movie with Bella, which we were looking for. We couldn't find it, and we flew over there. So we decided to come over here and look at the waters that's behind us, and then eventually I'm doing a video of that, and all of a sudden look behind us, and there's a totem pole of pumpkins, and they're right on the other side over here, directly here. You see that? That's the courthouse. Now, that courthouse is dead center of Halloween Town. All this connects. So we were told there were 10,000 or more participants a year that come down here on October 31st, or that week or week after, for Halloween Town. So me and Mrs. Crime, we're going to make it a Tombstone Whispers moment to come out here for Halloween Town. Stay tuned for a lot more from us. The statue here is of a dog, and it's called Seaman 2005, Robert Tidwell. Commissioned by the Historical Society of Columbia County, donated by the City of St Helens Public Art Collection. Right here talks about the seamen. It was August of 1802, while on the docks at Pittsburgh inspecting the progress of the keelboat, the Meriwether Lewis first encountered the Newfoundland dogs called seamen.